Well, hello there. Mark Rizzn here, principal at GA for Andis, and I've got perhaps the most unimpressive demo I've done for you so far. Just to briefly recap today, I spent the entire day reverse engineering the WebRTC remote control for Unitary GoToBear, which is the robot that we've been demoing in all our videos, and the robot that we're going to have like the first true slow-bound agent installed into. So I'm going to show you what I did after an entire day of fighting Wi-Fi demons and packet interception. You've got a very basic web interface that represents a Python backend that's able to send and receive commands to the robot. So here we go. And we're going to make them stand back up. There you go. Amazing, right? Anyway, like I said, this doesn't look like a lot, but it's a major step forward. So where do we go from this next? The next step is that we will get more commands working. We're going to start making sure we can intercept the LiDAR signals as well. And then once we have all of that, we're going to start wrapping that with our universal command wrapper and throw it into SMCP. And you can literally just install this on a Raspberry Pi or your laptop, and you can start talking to your robot and have them start, living its life in your house. So anyway, that's where we're headed. That's what we've got so far. Stay with us. Of course, it's going to get a lot more exciting there.